one for the Chevelle fans. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu two-door sport coupe, or hardtop if you will. 396 big block underneath the hood. You know that's what you wanted to hear. Power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Of course, the iconic 71 front end, marker lights. Take your time looking through the still pictures. This one's a beauty. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, down in the description, there'll be a link. Click on it. It's going to take you to our website. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front. US Mags wheels. 5-spoke chrome 18-inch wheels. And yes, the paint looks as good on this one in person as it does in the pictures and videos. Now, as far as SS, representing it as a tribute. And take a look at how straight that passenger side is. Just look down this from the rear to the front, and you can see the paint shows well. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Dual exhaust, nice sounding car. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video. Let's hear it run. And then at the very end of the video, we're going to take this for a drive, set a camera up in it. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Has had a repaint to, I'd call this very similar to the cranberry red of that era. Black interior, as you can see, bucket seats, center console. Don't forget, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Chrome rear bumper looking good. Of course, those racing stripes, those are painted on, cleared over, so also shows very well. But speaking of which, let's take a look down this driver's side and how straight that is. One of our good customers, always has nice cars, brought this into us, decided it was time to part ways, maybe move on to something else. Switches up every once in a while, but it's a nice looking car. And remember, we have an open door policy. Third-party inspectors, you want somebody to come take a peek at this, maybe you can't make it due to time or distance, not a problem. Check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the data tag, the VIN. Seats free of rips, tears, holes. Horseshoe shifter on that center console. We have tilt column. All the SS badges too. But again, do not have paperwork on it. Listen to that, fires right up. So Pioneer AM/FM cassette, that is working.
Community trip.
Some aftermarket gauges down here. Water temp, cold start. Won't expect that to move. Oil pressure. Tach, all working. Horn also works, wipers work. I think the fuel gauge works. So the car, get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Dash looks good. Look at the headliner. Headliner looks good. Definitely nothing to hide on this one, folks. That sounds good. All right, let's slip up to the front, take these hood pins out a second. Let's get this hood popped. Check that out. Remember, stick around to the end of the video. Take this for a drive. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Again, cowl hood. Edelbrock Performer 2.0 intake manifold headers. Again, power steering, power brakes. 396. Big block. Paired up with that automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. HEI ignition. There's a battery disconnector in between drives, or maybe while it's in storage. Here you go, folks. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. Very nice sound to this car. Nice tight steering, nice suspension feel, smooth running vehicle. Our fuel gauge is working, showing 3/4 of a tank. Windshield wipers work. Pioneer radio in the dash. That also works. Lower motor functions. This has a horseshoe style automatic shifter right here on the console. Down below, tachometer. We're doing 50 miles an hour and it's showing about 2,200 RPM. Oil pressure is 50 PSI. Water temperature 180. That's all looking really good. One of your iconic cars, the early 70s Chevelles. This one looking really good, red and black, nice paint, nice interior. Comfortable stock looking black vinyl bucket seats. This car does not lean much in the corners, handles really well. Nice throaty rumble. See that cowl induction style hood? If I let go of the wheel, this car might drift a little to the right. It could just be the wind. It's a little windy today and cold here in Minnesota. But driving these cars gets me warmed up, gets your heart going. Fun cars. You want to take a look at all the pictures of this 1971 Chevelle and all the other cars we have at uniqueclassiccars.com.